Alright guys,
I gotta make sure my phone is turned on for...
we got a train coming. You can hear the crossing that it's going through right now. Here it comes. Stay right there. When the engineer comes, when the crossings... Here it comes! High Street's activated! And there go the gates, they're going down! Canadian National Freight Train! 5422! Ding, 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 it's the bell sound. Let's wait the engineer when he comes across. Let's start waving, Jason. We're waving to the engineer, guys. You didn't see us. Nice. There it goes.
Speed it over there.
Nah, that's alright. Let's stay here. I like to see High Street. I haven't filmed at High Street for a while. Besides, we know it's gonna go through the yard, probably. There goes Florida's horn at that 9-gated crossing. I don't know what street that's on. But here's the here are all the tanker cars. Sorry I haven't filmed in a while, guys. I just haven't been feeling like it. Or I forgot. I didn't get a chance to because there hasn't been a train lately. Looks like it's a really long one. I don't see the end yet. Jeez. And this is going on my YouTube channel, guys. Oh my God, that's loud. That's loud, sorry guys. Those wheels are screechy. Wow, I guess it really had a lot of cars. Before it wasn't that full. I'll tell you after the video. Jeez. Oh my gosh. My ears! My ears! Do you see the end yet? I don't. I can't see the end. Stay there, Jason. I don't want to get in hurt. Ah, finally! Much better. Never mind. Here's the end, guys. Here's the end. Marcus Energy is the name of those tankers. Look, you can see the axles right there, guys. We'll watch the end of it go by. One thing I would like to see on a train like this would be an engine in the middle, which is called a DPU, Distributed Power Unit. And here's the end. Done, Buzz.
Ready?
Wait, I want to watch the end go by and watch the gates go back up and traffic resume.
Speed it over there.
Nah, it's alright. I want to watch High Street deactivated. Shut off. And there are the gate lights, 4-inch Ricoh LEDs. And then here's the bell, you can see it right there. Now let's watch as the gates go up. Okay, gates should be going up. He stopped. I don't think the gates are gonna go up yet. What the? Look at, it's moving back, son Jason, look. Oh jeez. He just came to a stop. He literally just came to a stop and he's moving again a little bit. Oh my gosh, traffic's gonna be backed up for a while. Quick ship tanker trailer, semi truck tanker. Yeah, look it, he stopped right on the sensor, guys. Sorry. Yeah, look it, the gates can't go up unless he's off of the sensor. Why do you think he stopped?
I have no idea.
Me neither. I don't got like a little radio thing. There's the gate, the light. You could get a really good look at the lights and hear that bell more. It's not, the train has not broken down or anything, guys. It was moving. I think it stopped for some reason. If he would have rolled a little more off of the sunset, the gates could have gone up. Maybe they're switching tracks or something, I don't know. I'm just gonna walk up a little bit. I'm not getting too close. Sorry guys, we're waiting for the gates to go so we can watch, so I can end the video then. Because this is going to be too long and I can't put it on my channel then. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna end the video for now. And I'll start it back up as soon as the train starts to move again. Or I'll just pause it for now. And some people are getting fed up. People are mad that, oh, it's moving, guys, never mind. There it goes, guys, it's moving now. I was about to pause the video, but good thing I didn't. I think this truck is turning. Now we can, maybe now, there we go, gates are going back up now. The gates are going up again. Okay, High Street's off now. And there goes the end. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys very much for watching. And that is it.